Take command of the road in the 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.